What's going on, everyone? First, I just want to address my voice. I am losing it, so I'm not going to be doing much talking today. But what I wanted to go over in this video, I've had a lot of requests to do market replay tests on the new simple engulfing strategy or the simple pullback strategy. So right now I have data loaded since June 22nd. That's as far back as I could go on this contract. But I think that should be plenty good enough for the test we're trying to run today. And we are starting this. It's 7:50 a.m. So we have a little bit to go until market open. But on the left hand side here, I have the ninZaRenko bars. Just again 64.16. On the right hand side, I have the SaberRenko bars and same size 64.16. And it's the exact same settings for both of them. I just loaded the template. I did not change a single setting on any of these. So again, I'm not saying which bar is better. That's actually what we're trying to find out today. And whatever gives me the best results, that is likely what I will be actually running on my live account or on my Lucid account moving forward. So before I fully lose my voice here, I am just going to play it and I will speed through a lot of it so you guys don't have to sit here through the full hour or however long this market replay is going to take. So let's get right into it. And guys, sorry if I have this running on a smaller screen off to the side. It's not my main monitor that I usually record on. So if the resolution is not great, I will have to address that for another video. So I'm hoping it doesn't turn out too bad here though. But anyways, I'm just going to play this at max. And I'm going to see what it does. So day one, ninZaRenko hit it. Day one, ninZaRenko and SaberRenko bars both hit it. And I don't know. Sometimes if I make the screens too small, it starts going off screen. But yeah, I'm just going to let it play max. I have it running playback 101 on the ninZaRenko, playback 102 on the SaberRenko. So again, I'm just going to let it play. I will show a few little scenes just to hopefully keep this as entertaining as possible. And we'll skip to the end. And while market replay is running, I figured this is the perfect time because today is Friday. That means it is draw day for a free 50K Lucid Flex account. So let's see who our winner is. And Larry Z9135, congratulations on your free 50K Lucid Flex account. To claim your prize, just go to TradeSaber.com and it will be available on your dashboard. And guys, if you want to be eligible for the next draw, we're doing draws twice a week. Just leave a comment on this video or any other long form video. You get one extra draw for each video that you leave a comment on. So make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you sign up at TradeSaber.com and you link your YouTube handle. You won't be eligible unless you let us know what your YouTube handle is. That's the only way we know who to send prices to. And also a big shout out to Lucid for helping us with these prices. And guys, if you are looking for a prop firm, Lucid is my go-to right now. They are probably one of the best prop firms in the industry right now. So make sure you check them out if you are looking for a prop firm. But with that, we're heading back to our video. So here's an instance where the ninZaRenko actually managed to pull ahead. So the SaberRenko lost right away at the very start of the day. Here, this one took a while. We had a lot of winners, a lot of losers. That's the thing with the negative risk to reward. If you do end up losing one, it usually takes 2 to 2.5 just to make up for that one loser. So this one, we kept winning 2-3 times, had a loser. 2-3 times, another loser. But it looks like up to this point, ninZaRenko is actually pulling ahead. But again, this is just day 3, so we'll keep going and see the final result. All right, So up to this point, ninZaRenko is definitely doing a lot better than SaberRenko. So SaberRenko, we are a total negative 320. So we're actually in the negatives. ninZaRenko still pulling ahead. One more day and a 50K account would be funded, or plus or minus commission. So maybe you add a couple extra ticks to your profit target. But so far, ninZaRenko is definitely doing a lot better.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And there you go. That's a 50K account funded on the ninZaRenko bars. Well, the SaberRenko bars, we finally got into profit a little bit, but only $180. So let's open up the Analyze tabs, see what we have so far. So the drawdown on the SaberRenko bars, $1,320. $765 on the ninZaRenko. Definitely for the first week and a bit, ninZaRenko seems to be pulling ahead. So, but again, I don't want to make any decisions until we have all the data, because one good week doesn't mean that is what we should run. So we're going to keep playing it until August 13th. So just a quick note here, guys. If you're on a prop firm like Lucid, where you only require 5 days of $150 or more to get a payout, this would have already gotten you to a payout, the ninZaRenko bars. SaberRenko still hasn't even passed the eval yet.
Order filled.
And there you go. Even if you were on a different prop firm like Apex or another one, they usually require, I think, $2,600 so you can become eligible for a payout. So here, technically, like I said, at 3,000 we stopped. We made another almost 3,000. So you would be eligible for a payout with the ninZaRenko bars. And we started on the 22nd, got there by the 9th. So we're still running the market replay. We're almost done, but our live trading actually started. We're 9:31 a.m. So I'm just running. There's 3 days left on the market replay. I was hoping we'd be done by now. I will swap back to the live if a trade is about to happen. Here, if we close down, this will be a valid signal. And it would help if I show you what I'm talking about. So this bar right here. So SaberRenko is canceled, but ninZaRenko is still in the game. If this closes down, we will enter this trade.
Order submitted.
We're in the trade. And again, same 50 tick target.
Order filled.
There we go. First target of the day on the Lucid account. So I'm going to swap back over to our market replay. And like I said, we have data until the 13th. Right now we're August 7th. So as you can see, ninZaRenko is still doing significantly better than our SaberRenko bars.
Order filled.
Arguably, we would be, I'm willing to say, almost probably on our third payout by now on the ninZaRenko. The SaberRenko, on the other hand, they have been struggling. We barely passed an eval, and with commissions added, it'd be a struggle to say. So definitely so far, I think we could probably make our choice by now. And I think moving forward, I am going to be using ninZaRenko. But for the sake of the video, I am going to finish this market replay test. So we have one more day to go on the ninZaRenko, or on the market replay. I just have data up to August 13th. That was yesterday. Did we have a break-even trade yesterday? I feel like this one went right to target for me yesterday. Yeah, yesterday
Order
this
filled.
went right to our profit target. So, there are a few differences between market replay and live. And I think that just about concludes our market replay. I think this is going to try and go right till midnight, but we are effectively done. So let me just pull up some stats here. I'll just wait till it finishes. There we go. So it's all done. So as you can see, there is a huge difference between ninZaRenko and SaberRenko. And like I said, I am not married to any bar type. I don't care if it's my own bar type, somebody else's, whatever indicator we're looking at, as long as it makes money. So as we can see, ninZaRenko, very, very clear winner. Let's look at the Analyze tab here. And we'll see that we have a profit total, 4,110. We have a max drawdown. So our drawdown was actually a little bit less on the SaberRenko compared to the ninZaRenko, which our backtest results with the historical backtesting showed that it was actually the opposite. It was actually ninZaRenko with less drawdown. But as we can see, when we actually run it, SaberRenko has slightly less drawdown. But we also have to take into account, when did that drawdown happen? With the ninZaRenko, we managed to hit that $3,000 threshold, which would get us a funded account. And our drawdown didn't come until much later, once we were already in the funded account. So we wouldn't be affected as much with this sort of drawdown. But again, it all depends when you actually started running the strategy, when you enabled it, how consistent you were with your strategy. If we look at the total trades, 137 to 111. So ninZaRenko did play around a little bit more. It did recover some of those losing days. So with the SaberRenko bars, we did have 11 wins in a row. With Ninja, it was only 7. But again, it doesn't matter that much. It's the end result that counts. And losing trades, again, some of these numbers look a lot worse on Ninja, but its ability to recover was significantly greater. So again, like I said, I don't care about any intraday numbers as long as the final result, that's the result that actually counts at the end of the day. So I think moving forward with this particular strategy, I think it just makes sense to swap back over to ninZaRenko bars. I'm going to put the SaberRenko bars on the back burner. Let me switch back to our live trading here. So I'll be switching over to our ninZaRenko bars. I'll be, like I said, the SaberRenko bars, they haven't performed as well. So if you want to run them, that's at your own risk. Do what works best for you. But for the sake of this strategy, for me moving forward, based on the results we got, ninZaRenko is the clear winner. So that's what I will run. But I will keep playing the rest of today. I want to finish off the live trading. It's Friday. I'm going to pause my video here. I'm going to let this keep running, and we'll see how the actual live trading ends up for the day. All right, here we're in the second trade of the day,
Order filled.
and
Order filled.
that was a little delayed there, but we got our profit target right away. So we are done for the day. We hit our daily realized P&L on the Lucid account. The SaberRenko, that's on a sim. I don't care that much about it, to be honest. So I will cut the video here. And guys, if you are looking for a free trial of the Predator X, that's the automation tool you see here. You can get access to this automation tool, which can automate many of your favorite third-party indicators all at the click of a button. Things like Ninja, SMM, A+, many of your favorite vendors, we are all able to automate them. And of course, you can create your own custom fully auto, semi-auto, or we even have custom manual entries as well. If you want a free trial, just create a free account over at TradeSaber.com, then head over to your dashboard and you'll have access to it immediately. And we also have a free Discord you can join to ask questions, find content, and all our Discord members get a 15% off coupon on top of whatever price you see right now. So again, head over to Discord. In the Predator promo room, you will find that discount code. And if you guys have any questions, always feel free to DM me on Discord. Send me an email, support@tradesaber.com. I do try to reply to everyone. But I will cut the video here. Hope you guys found it useful. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Enjoy.